Now, we have this question here. The figure below, B, D, E, F, and G are on the circumference of the circle center O. A, B, and C form a tangent to the circle at point B. GD is the diameter of the circle. So you have that circle, and then you have different angles formed there. Then you have a tangent. Continuation, given that FG is equals to DE, reflex angle GOB is equals to 252 degrees. Angle DBC equals to 6 degrees, and angle FEG is equals to 20 degrees. Giving reasons, find each of the following angles. So you have those angles there. So the first one is angle. The first one is angle GEB. Angle GEB, and angle GEB is this angle here. GEB is that angle. Now there are two ways how you can find that angle GEB. Remember that GOD is the diameter, and it is that diameter would subtend an angle of 90 degrees at the circumference. So meaning that angle GED is equals to 90 degrees. So angle GED is equals to 90 degrees. This one because that is the angle subtended by the diameter of the circumference. Now I want also to look at this angle BED. Angle BED. Now angle BED will be equal to angle. This one will be equal to angle DBC. This angle here will be equal to that 6, which is equals to that 6. 36 degrees. Equals to that 6 degrees. And the reason there is the angle subtended by a chord in the alternate segment is equal. So this angle is that 6, also this angle is that 6. So meaning that now our angle GEB will now be equal to 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. So when you do that, we're going to get 54 degrees. So now you can give those reasons for this one. For this one, you can say that angle GED is equals to 90 degrees because angle subtended by their diameter at the circumference is 90 degrees. And then BED is equals to angle D. Let me get this out of the way. So and angle BED is equals to angle DBC, which is equals to that 6. That is the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment is equal. So now just subtract and you get 54. Alternatively, I've seen now this is a tangent, is a straight line. ABC, the straight line. So and you know that the sum of angles in a straight line is 180. Now this diameter still subtend an angle at point B. So angle GBD, this one is another way of how you can find that answer. Angle GBD is equals to 90 degrees. The reason because the angle subtended by the diameter of the circumference. Now, and this angle here, angle DBC is equals to that 6. So this one is a straight line. So meaning that angle ABG, angle ABG is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus into bracket. This one is 180 degrees minus into bracket the sum 90 plus 36, 90 degrees plus 36 degrees. So when you do that, you're going to get 54. So, and this angle, if you look at this code BG, is subtending, it now subtend an angle 54 with the tangent, and this chord is subtending an angle at the alternate segment, and that angle is GEB. So meaning that angle GEB is equals to angle ABG is equals to 54 degrees. The reason there is that angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment is equal. So now that one is for that question number A. Now for question number B, let me rub this one. Let me just open another one. Now for question number B, we're not trying to find angle BED. Angle BED. Now angle BED. Angle BED is equals to 36 degrees, because I think we've already done it at this part here. The first way of finding angle GB. So that angle is the same as angle DBC, which is equals to 36 degrees. And the reason is the angle. You can give this as the reason. Angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment is equal. So can give us that one as a reason. So that is 36. Now the next question is angle OBE. Angle OBE. So this one I think we have two ways. OBE. So angle OBE, this angle here. OBE. Now this one we have two ways. Now we can decide to calculate angle O or to find OBE, and then we subtract angle EBD. I've said you can take that is angle OBD, the same as angle OBD minus angle EBD. Now, what's the value of angle OBD? OBD. Now, if you look at angle OBD, I want to look at this radius, OB and OD. So making this angle here to be isosceles. This angle here is isosceles, meaning that this is the same as this. So this making this angle here to be equal to this angle. So you can say that angle OBD is equals to angle ODB. This one is isosceles. The reason is it is isosceles triangle. So now angle OBD, this angle here, the same as this angle here, alternate segment. And remember this value here, we find it as 54. If this angle is 54, so meaning that also this angle is 54. So this one is equals to 54 degrees. Now, angle EBD. Now, if you look at angle EBD, now you see this chord. You are told that chord GF and ED are equal. Remember that equal chords will subtend equal angle at the circumference. Equal chord will subtend equal angle at the circumference. So if you look at this chord is equal to this chord, and this chord is subtending an angle of 20 degrees at the circumference, meaning that also chord DE will subtend an angle of 20 degrees. So we can say this is the same as angle FEG, which is equals to 20 degrees. This reason can give it as equal chords subtend equal angle at the circumference. Sorry. Equal chords subtends equal angles at the circumference. So equal chords subtend equal angle at the circumference. You can give it that one as a reason. So meaning that our angle now will be equal to will be equal to 54 degrees minus 20 degrees. So that is 34 degrees. You get it as 34 degrees. Alternatively, alternatively, you can get angle BGE. Angle BGE, this angle here. Now remember this angle here is 36 degrees because it's alternate segment to this one. And then this angle here, it will be 20 degrees. The reason because you see this chord is subtending an angle of 20 degrees here and is also subtending an angle of 20 degrees. So chord will subtend equal angle at the circumference. A chord will subtend equal angles at the circumference. So here is 36 and here is 20. So when you add, you're going to get 56. Now, if you look at this chord BE, it is subtending an angle at the center. So you need to add this line. This one I've added this line OE. So you see, this chord is subtending an angle at the center and also subtending an angle at the circumference. So, and you know that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So if here is 56, then this angle here, angle EOB, this angle here, EOB, will be equal to 56 times 2. So that is 112. So you'll find this angle EOB as 112. Now, because now OB and OE is the radius, it will make this triangle here, this triangle, to be isosceles. So for you now to get the size of this one angle, it will be 180 minus 112 divided by 2. So if you do that also, you're going to get 34. So that is the alternative route that we can use. Okay, let's go on. BGE. Angle BGE. Now angle BGE is this angle that I've explained. So it would be that 6 plus 20. So that is angle equals to angle. That is angle BGD plus angle EGD. So this will be that 6 degrees plus 20 degrees, which is equals to 56 degrees. And finally, GFE, angle GFE. Now, angle GFE is on top here, GFE. Now, for that one, you see, we have this cyclic quadrilateral, GFEB. GFEB. That is a cyclic quadrilateral. As you can see, we have 4 vertices at the circumference. So that is a cyclic quadrilateral. And yes, now we know that the sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. They add up to 180. So we can easily get this angle here. If now remember this one, consider GO and OB is the radius, so making this triangle as a isosceles. So here that 6, and here we found this one as was it 34? Let me confirm. That is OBE. Yes, OBE found it as 34. Yes, OBE it is 34. So that 6 plus 34, that is 70. So if you want to get that angle now, okay, you can say angle GFE is equals to 180 degrees minus angle GBE. You can say that sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So you can give that one as a reason. Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So one is want to find angle GBE, and angle GBE I've said it will be equal to that 6 plus 34, so that is 70 degrees. So now going to find going to be 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, that will be 110 degrees, and that is how you work that question.